guys, it's Chris once again, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna teach you how to link your Facebook account to your YouTube account. So again, thanks for viewing my channel, and I'll see you once again. Thank you. Bye.
Hey guys, it's Chris once again. I'm gonna link up your Facebook account onto your YouTube channel. So first, before we do that, you should be opening your YouTube account, and on the other tab you should be opening your Facebook account. Okay, so now we go back to your YouTube account. Make sure that your YouTube account is on the main channel. On your upper right hand side corner of your YouTube account, you would see your icon there, right? So just click on this one and hit your channel. So this is where we want to go, okay? You would see there the customized channel. That's in the blue bar. So go ahead and click this one. You would see there like a pencil or a pen. This is the edit button. So this one right here, you click this one and say edit links. And now browse down until you see the custom links. Now you see a button there that says add. You click the add button. Now from the link title, let's just say you create your Facebook name. And now on the URL tab, this is where you need to get the Facebook URL. So at the top of your address screen there, go up on the tab bar and go to your Facebook tab. So now on the address bar, simply click the facebook.com. What we need to achieve is to copy the link. So go ahead and copy the URL. Copy. Or you can just say Control C and then go back to your YouTube tab, paste the Facebook URL or Facebook link. So go ahead, say Control V, or the same as right click of your mouse and say paste. So from there, you just say done. Click the done button. You can see the Facebook link attached in front of your YouTube menu. So you click this one and it opens up your Facebook account. How easy is that? There's also one you can do as well. On the same link there, you can also add up if you have Instagram account or if you have a Twitter account. You just have to do the same. You just say customize channel and then you hit the edit link. And then you go down on the custom link and just say add. And again, you can say Instagram. And you can paste your URL or link for your Instagram there. And after you do that, you just say done. So again, thank you for watching. Again, please do like and subscribe, and I will see you again. Bye.